product. I would say best paver we've done so far. Particular pavers that were installed, but if you want something this style but a different color, something a little bit nicer, we'd have to pre-order that. It's going to take about 2 months, so let's get on board. If you want to jump on a project, just schedule for it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm more than happy with the result. I think we're getting better and better every time, so we're ready to do business with you. We're ready to serve you and serve you right. See you in the next one.
This is too beautiful, boy.
Hard, boy. Watch out.
This is too beautiful. Hold on.
Watch out.